and the enterprise applications based on the middleware, as we know, GE, GBoss, Spring, Hibernate, Tomcat, WebSphere, and with the relational database. What Java middleware like GBoss, Spring, or WebSphere became the standard of the web application for enterprise. However, they have been totally focused on scalability and robustness. But now what we are looking in the enterprises with the new technologies is web consumer application, faster development and deployment, consolidation between content and application, because the applications today are richer, web-based, social-based, and mobility is an essential platform for content collaboration and information access. So in the .NET community and PHP, we find SharePoint and Drupal, but in Java, we don't have on the top of this middleware, classical middleware, no stack to develop fast and deploy fast with low cost your services. Here we present collaboration, content management, and social, but it could be business services like ERP, like BI, that can be developed and deployed on the web or on the cloud. So here is the global graphic showing the Java developers, the users, and the cloud-based services. So we are talking about cloud. It could be the private cloud, the enterprise cloud, or the public cloud. And the objective is to develop and deploy modern applications on the top of this platform. So this is the general graphic that represents what we are doing and what we want to provide today. So that's a little bit like Mr. Sharif shown sooner. So it's only that what we show here is that with EXO core services, extended services, is the same platform, the same core that could be developed on the top of this platform. So we have in the core services integration and web services with an IDE for developers. The Gatin, it's based on the new portal, the Gatin portal, developed jointly with GBoss. The cloud services management console, multi-tenant enabling, with content services, and on the top of the core services we have mashups, portlet and gadget developments, collaboration services, knowledge services, social services. So all these services could be deployed on this platform, and this platform allow developers in the companies, in the universities or researchers to develop on the top of this platform. So the ExoCore service platform, Gatin open source project, is based on Gatin, content repository and management, mashup development framework and tool, gadget container, all is with REST architecture. For the extended services, it's social, collaboration, knowledge services, mobile and webtop services. So the value is to develop and deploy easily, fast, with low cost. So to develop with a powerful website first, collaboration application, its full set of REST services are available quickly, full functionality with the gadget and the mashups. And for the deployment, so simple cloud deployment model, common architecture based on Java and REST, leverage service providers to have a lower deployment cost. So on the top of this next generation Java open source platform, you can extend your platform. We provide open source services, social like Activity Stream, Social Graph, Facebook, and Open Social for companies, collaboration, email, instant messaging, calendar, address book, events, workflow, knowledge services, mashup, sample scripting IDE, gadget, portlets, monitoring, and all the content, all integrated in the same platform. So, for example, for the content services, we also leverage the standard of the industry, the GCR, the Java Content Repository, the new implementation of the Content Management Interoperability Service, CMES, which have been implemented and open sourced by EXO recently. On the top of this two implementation of content repository, we have document management, content management, search, versioning, caching, workflow. And to communicate with other applications, we have different protocols like FTP, WebDAV, Office plugins, CFS, OCR, and REST services. Here a little screenshot of an example of the Explorer Content Application Server. Mashup development. So here it's integrated to the Gatin platform portal. It's an IDE, what we have here in the graphic, with the Groovy scripting web-based development. What we target is to have the equivalent of Excel macro level developers for enterprise service development, fast development, and instant deployment. Collaboration services. Here we leverage the new GSR 286 standard for Ajax Ajax platform, knowledge services, and user interface services. So for the summary, what we tried to construct on the top of this new portal project, where EXO and GBoss joined their forces to provide the next generation portal platform. On the top of that, we provide the next generation Java middleware platform for cloud services, for fast development, fast deployment, for the enterprises, for the developers, for our community. So the aim is to bring the feature of the consumer web to the enterprise. It's open source and fully Java standards to have the flexibility and interoperability of what exists already in the organization and the companies. Thank you.